Hello, this is Teacher Wayne, and I'm continuing my Unity 2018 series videos on creating a load of games showcasing the Unity game engine and teaching you hopefully some of the mechanics and elements of how to make a game with them. So one of the things is I've made a zombie survival game in Unity, and what I'd like to do is create a series of videos that showcase how to make that, and I'm hopefully going to go through all the different things. So this is my introductory video into that sort of series of making the game. So let me just go through what the videos are going to be. And I think one of the things I want to say first is I want to keep my videos to an absolute minimum size in length, really, and keep them in short bite-size elements where possible. I mean, when it comes to some of the coding, some of the character ones, which I'll be doing later, that might not be always possible because I would like to finish sections before moving on. So anyway, let me just go through the videos that I'm going to be creating. First of all, the prerequisites. So in that video, which is what I'm going to do first, is what assets and what plan of how basically the layout and the structure within Unity, how to get the most out of it, and how to what sort of assets we can get from the Unity store before we even start. And then the next thing is another video I'm going to create on the actual environment itself. I know I've already created a video on the environment, so it's going to be in one way a repeat of that, but with the focus to do with this zombie shoot 'em up anyway. So we're going to go through the environment, and there isn't any coding in that really. Then we're going to get actually the characters. Now the characters, we're talking about both the zombie actual characters that you're going to be fighting against and the player character themselves, and we're going to be setting those up, and there's going to be involving a lot of the coding, a lot of C# scripting. That's probably going to be the largest element in my videos. It's either going to be lots of individual videos or one long one. I haven't quite decided yet, but I may try to break that down into separate videos. I haven't quite decided yet. Then we're going to look at the sound elements to actually give that sort of extra dimension to your game. A game isn't really a game without a sound, so I'm going to show you how to add sound elements to your characters once you've created them, and to the environment to give that extra feel about the game. Then we're going to look at the actual user interface. We're going to look at some of like your health bar and bullets, because we're going to be shooting these zombies. We're going to give you a weapon and you're going to shoot them, and also you can be taking damage by the zombies if they catch up with you. And then we're also going to talk about any future elements as well that we might want to add to the game. For example, the thing that comes to my mind is extra levels. If you want to move through multiple levels, maybe not just zombies but like a boss that you might want to fight as well. So we can talk and discuss about those in a separate video at the end as well, if time permitting and if that's appropriate. So anyway, that's a quick overview of what I'm doing now. I also want to show you what I've actually created. So this is my game I've got. I'm just going to quickly play it and show you what I've got for the actual game that I've actually created so far. Now this is a game in development. If you look here, I've opened it up. I've disabled the sound, by the way, to make it, because it'll just drown out what I'm doing. But here, as you can see, I'm surrounded by a sea of zombies, and some are moving towards me and some are not, and I've got a bullet count, so I want to shoot this guy. I'll show you what happens. I've got a health bar there, I've got bullets and a score, and they've got this one guy ahead of me moving towards, so I'm going to put my reticule over him and I'm going to shoot him, and they take 10 bullets and then he dies. And if you notice, I hit him and he falls down flat, and then you see him fade out in a minute, hopefully. I've only got 16 bullets left, and I will have to do a reload. So there, I've run to bullets. And now I'm going to shoot this next one. I'll reload, and then I've got more bullets. It's quite straightforward really. I've not made it too difficult this game. I'm constantly reloading. One of the things, a future element I was thinking of having pickups, so you pick up more bullets, and you notice you get a score for each zombie you kill as well. So, but it's a never-ending one. There's lots of elements to add. This is the basic game I've created here. Let's shoot this guy here. As you can see, I'm moving around quite happily. And also, if I get close enough to one, hopefully, yeah, you can see I took some damage, and he does an animation sequence of attacking me there. It was a bit not really clear to see, but he's doing it because he gets really close, but we can change that. And then he stops and they all walk together towards me. It's actually called Boyd's Flight. Oh look, I moved past him. Because I surround him, I actually reverse through one. But anyway, that is my game. It's really simple at the moment. I'm going to be obviously developing it further as I actually show you it. But as you can see, when I zoom out, there's only one zombie there that I've got in the thing, because what we do is we have a spawn manager to create more. But anyway, this is my initial video to introduce the concept to you. And this is Teacher Wayne saying goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the rest of my videos. Thank you very much.